Hey guys, Joe from RRT. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Going to run you through just a day in the life of. This home is from a builder in Little Hartley, New South Wales, Ridgeline tiny homes. We picked this tiny home up last week from Little Hartley. Took it over to Melbourne for a show they had on the weekend just gone. So today, first off, we're going to be taking this home into the Maitland show. Once we've dropped that off, we're going to head over to the boys at Big Fig Tiny Homes in Rutherford. We're going to pick up a 9-metre home for them and take that into the show as well. And we might even drop into our local mechanic and show you our new Hino that we've just purchased. Right, so vehicle of choice today is the 1500 Ram. On these bigger homes, I'd really love to be using our Unimog, but unfortunately, we've just gone through our second gearbox in it this year. So, yeah. It's going to be parked up for a couple of months now. Just before Christmas, the gearbox went, so we sourced a gearbox from Queensland, paid quite a substantial amount of money to have that installed, and we got about 1800 Ks out of the box, and so now we're dealing with the same issues. So yeah, she's going to be parked up for a little while, hence why we've bought the Hino, just to get through some of the bigger homes. All these big dreams. It's always important to connect the trailers up too with these breakaway systems. So if you're driving along and the trailer falls off, this will activate the automatic brakes and the trailer will come to a stop. But at that point, you should probably just keep driving because your dignity's gone as well. And just so you know, that was a joke. I've never had a trailer fall off the back of the vehicle. Most tiny homes you'll find don't come with registration. A lot of companies use unregistered vehicle permits to move their homes. If you're looking to move a home and in New South Wales and you don't have rego on it, we can provide rego for the day. Just another thing to eliminate that hassle for you. Let's go off to the expo. So we've arrived at the 2024 Maitland Tiny Home Expo. Just had a chat to the event coordinators, giving us instructions of where Ridgeline have got their display for the weekend.
Said it cannot be done, here to overcome, they can't turn me down, this too loud, still I'm one-on-one.
Yeah, so I've just dropped off our first home for the day at the expo, Ridgeline Tiny Home. Now we're gonna go get our next one from the guys at Big Fig. Just pulled in here for a quick stop. Why does the number just keep going up? It just doesn't stop. Just arrived to get the second tiny home and they're still just doing some final touches on it. So do what we do best and go get something to eat. So while we're waiting for the guys at Big Fig to finish off their home, come with us and we'll check out our new Hino. We've just got our Hino in, just purchased it last couple of weeks ago. It's just in here getting a bit of love, getting all the servicing done. As soon as all this is done, we're going to put it straight to work and get it moving some homes around Australia. Yeah, I'm super stoked for getting in this thing. It's going to be a world of difference for compared to the Mog. It's got aircon and cruise control, automatic gearbox. It's definitely going to make my workload a lot easier. We are moving. Just use those wheels under the axles just to get it out of that warehouse. We're just on our way to the expo now. Let's get it. We're only probably 2 minutes from the expo, so it's only a short trip, this one. So see you there. We're here. This home's going in down just behind this truck here. Yeah, second home is on the pad, so that's another one done for us today. They'll sit here all weekend and come Sunday I can start pulling them out. So hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you later.
can't get